This is Alan Farley from FX Empire. Square reports earnings after the closing bell, and they should report another very strong quarter. Looking back, the stock fell to an all-time low right around $40 during the pandemic. Turned tail, came back up to the 2018 high, which marked resistance, and broke out in the second quarter. Then entered this very narrow rising channel, which is very, very healthy, coming up to around the 245, 250 level in December. Entered this consolidation, worked off a little of its overbought status, and then broke out once again into February, coming up above 280. Now you can see this morning the stock gap down 10% this morning on no news. The NASDAQ 100 futures are down over 300 points. So there's really broad-based sell-off going on in the tech world. Now that 10% down has created this hole in the wall gap, which is an instant reversal, instant change in trends, and it's telling investors to really watch themselves. And as you can see, many shareholders are getting out of the way ahead of the report. Now, the good news is we have this very solid trend line coming back up for the last year since the pandemic, and it'll hit that trend line right around the 220 level. Now, that should mark a really good buying opportunity. What you don't want to see is if it gaps through that line, because that could be an instant downtrend for the stock. But if we get down to about the 220 level and base there, I think it might be a good buying opportunity for a recovery wave that gets us back up to the high. Maybe not in the second quarter, maybe in the third quarter, because I think we could be at the start of an intermediate correction.